Hello everyone, good evening. India stock market strategy by Vivek Bajaj. Welcome to all of you. It's going to be 10 minutes video on what I feel Indian market is going to do and what you should do if you are active market participant right now. So let me do the screen sharing and let's start the discussion. Before I start the discussion, let me just define the framework which I always share with all of you that my framework of market research is this: 10,000 feet, 1,000 feet, 100 feet, and 10 feet. 10,000 feet is about dollar index and what global markets are doing, what liquidity is doing at a macro level. Then 1,000 feet, which is what Indian indices are doing, FIs are doing, market breadth, what is it suggesting us to do. Then 100 feet is the sector rotation results fundamental. And then finally 10 feet, which is finding out which stock has a momentum and how you can participate in those stocks. This is a framework which I use, and I've been teaching this framework for many, many months and years now. And I hope a lot of you guys who are learning from me regularly have been finding value in my discussion. Some of you have told me to record in Hindi. मैं कोशिश पूरी करता हूँ कि इंग्लिश और हिंदी मिक्स करके रिकॉर्ड करूँ ताकि आप सबको समझ में आए मेरी बातें. But I sincerely believe that everyone who is in stock market should learn English. Basic English सीखना बहुत जरूरी है. Otherwise, जो एडवांस लर्निंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स है वो आपको हिंदी में कोई नहीं समझाएगा. आपको उसके लिए इंग्लिश डेफिनेटली जानना चाहिए. तो डोंट escape from this. If you are looking forward to a good career in stock market in any way, investor, trader, or employee, then English is something which you can't forfeit. Okay, चलिए market discussion करते हैं. तो let's go to the chart. And before I start, let me inform you guys that we are running an amazing offer right now as a Green Friday offer. So you can visit stockers.com and take advantage of the offer. Earnest request, please do take advantage of the offer and become part of Stockage family. Without your support, we will not be able to continue innovating and give you our best. You have been paying a lot of money to brokers, a lot of money to exchanges, a lot of money to the government. A small sum of money to Stockage team will add wonder to our quest of making you independent and sensible market participant. All right. So let's go. Let's start with the overall market. So the bad news is that dollar index is again coming into that zone of 100 plus. Now, if dollar index goes above 100 plus, definitely it's a matter of concern for us. And you see Nifty, it has already made a double top here, almost a double top. Now, this week is very, very crucial. If market goes below these levels, which is 25,800 or so. And if market closes below 25,300, then definitely it's a matter of huge concern because the trend which has been there in the market will get negated with dollar index going down. So yes, it's a concern for the market, and anyone who is doing momentum investing should be mindful of these things and be in cash also, so that if market falls, you have enough capital that you can take care of yourself. And anyone who is doing value investing, you should not be caring about all these things because you are doing investing based on business and based on economy, etc., etc. So you should not be really worried about where the dollar index is going. But yes, for momentum investors like me, dollar index plays a very important role. How I treat this, I'll explain you in a bit. Now let's go to the market breadth. And what is market breadth suggesting? So here we are, the market breadth. So let's go to analytics, and here we have market breadth. Okay. So if you go to market breadth, this is Nifty 50 market breadth, and this is Nifty 500 market breadth. Both are very important. If you look at Nifty 50 market breadth, it's kind of in a neutral zone, nothing to worry. But Nifty 500 market breadth is slowly turning red. This is an indication that market is slowly getting into oversold zone. But definitely this is not yet the level. It has gone into that zone of red, but definitely not into a deep red. So any market can go anywhere based on this analysis. The global equity, and okay, so this is what we analyze Nifty. So let's look at global equities and what is happening there. By the way, I do share all these templates, everything with my Stockage Club members. Some of you who are part of Stockage Club, they know what I am doing on a consistent basis. Again, when I mention these, I'm not trying to market my products. But all I'm saying that if you really want next level of guidance, analysis, and support from us, then you become part of our community. Okay. Now let's continue with this one. So what is happening in Nasdaq? Let's see the US market. So we have this emerging market index. So let's talk about the emerging markets. It is in a bad shape, already trading below this moving average, which is not a good news. Again, an inverse relationship with dollar index. And let's see Nasdaq. There is a fair bit of pressure in Nasdaq because of the top stocks and how they were the top AI stocks and how they were butchered in last couple of days. And And if you look at the Dow Jones, so Dow Jones is also trading below, but could take a support in these levels. So US is also in a very critical zone, and that's why globally there is a fair bit of nervousness in terms of what market will do. Okay, so if you look at gold, it is still standing tall. The gold has given a breakout from these levels, gone up too fast. The candle was very, very steep. It led to fall next day, and now the gold is consolidating here. So I have a feeling that gold will continue to remain a strong asset, considering the uncertainty in the market. And the best way to participate in gold, which I've recorded in my couple of videos and I've told always, is to do SIP, because you cannot time the market in gold. It can go up, it can go down 10% any point of time. So better you do SIP so that you take advantage of long-term sustainable trend which the asset is showing. Silver is again in a cool off mode. It has already gone up significant movement since the day I recorded video. It has really worked very well. And now again it is cooling down here. So this is the zone where silver is cooling down. So possibly the next big movement in silver will come after it cross its previous swing high, which is around these levels. All right. Interesting thing is crude oil. It's a barometer of where the global economy is doing, and crude oil has been kind of stable for some time, but now it has gone down, which is again not a great news. So all in all, globally, I think market is looking for some guidance, and market breadth is also suggesting a neutral zone. So I will be mindful. The way I run my momentum book is that if I feel that the momentum is slowing down, and I'm an active market participant, so I wouldn't mind liquidating, 25%, 30% of my portfolio across the board without thinking about which stock I should hold, which stock I should sell. Because if market is not supporting my view, it's better to be in cash for some period of time. Anyways, most of the time I'm always in cash. You just have to increase the proportion of cash in market. All right, so let's go to the 100 feet view. And you know there are different ways of doing a 100 feet view. One of the most famous ones which I use actively is the sector rotation. So all the stocks which are part of this sector rotation are the ones which is of interest to me. So let's see aviation. Aviation is a strong sector at this moment, okay? And if I look at the scores, the momentum score is also very positive. It has become very positive since 2 days. So yes, if I have to play momentum in this sector, then the other stocks which I need to see. GMR Airport, it looks very, very interesting. Now let's go inside this and let's see the chart. So if you remember yesterday's video where I talked about this new value additions which we have given here, momentum score, you can see clearly yes. So that means GMR Airport is strong stock. That doesn't mean that tomorrow you will go and buy in bulk. No, never. Momentum investors, they don't buy in one shot. They always calibrate their movement. So maybe a small quantity here as a tracker quantity, and when it goes down, probably add here because the stock has given a strength breakout from these levels, which is very, very strong. 95 plus is a strong level. But yes, there is a room of the stock correcting to those levels if market doesn't support it. So better just a small token as a tracker quantity is advisable. So that's one method. The other method which I showed to you last time in Saturday's video, if you remember that, we created this combination custom scans. I mean, a lot of people actually created custom scans, and I started copying them. You know how to do it. Say, for example, if I've created this custom scan, say Technofunda scan, which we were creating. So these are the parameters on the basis of which stocks can be identified. These are Techno funda parameters. Now, once I share this in public forum, right? you will also get access to this particular scan, and you can just copy that access. So, I mean, Pramil Parekh of RS Warrior, he created this one very, very neat, very good custom scan which he has created, right? I just copied it, and now I need to track these stocks which Pramil Parekh would also probably track. And look at this beautiful scan which was created by, again, one of the RS Warriors, Metho Chala. These are the stocks. Look at the condition which has been added, beautiful condition which has been added. So the stockage customized scan is just amazing. The beauty of this is that you can create both customized scan, and you can also add as part of your hybrid scan engine. So please start using it. It's extremely powerful. And in case you have any doubt, anything, anywhere you are stuck and you need our help, then Stockage Club is the best platform where we are solving real-time guidance, and we are solving the problems which people may have, right? So now let's go to my combination scan, and let's go to a FIPA combination which I created, which is here. FIPA combination is one of my favorite combination where I find stocks where the stocks are trading within 52-week high zone. Fundamentally, these are good stocks and the momentum score is also positive. So these are the stocks which are FIPA stocks. And for my analysis purpose, at all I have to focus, I will focus on only these stocks. So let me download this right here for the benefit of your understanding. I'm showing you how to download and how to upload the same in TradingView. So here we are, we have downloaded. Let's go. I think Stockage is the only platform which offers tremendous Excel download options to all its users. I mean, we are very, very particular that we will not stop anyone from doing serious analysis. So this is major stocks. Let me convert this major stocks into NSE stocks, and let me convert this market cap into say 1,000, 10,000 and above. Okay, and let's apply this. So here we are. These are the stocks which is of interest to me. Apart from the major stock, there are some more stocks which are interesting for us to look at. So let's go. All right, so let's see the perfect match here. So these are the perfect match. Let's focus on only perfect match. So we copy the symbol here, and we again go to TradingView, which is my go-to tool for detailed technicals. Okay, let's remove the previous FIPA stocks. Brilliant. So these are the stocks which are of interest to me right now because these are the stocks where I see strength because of fundamental reasons. So CCL, no. Thyrocare, yes, this is interesting. Look at this, a beautiful structure. Even in the falling market, it is a green stocks. That gives me comfort. And you see, this is part of that 52-week high cloud. Now, to know more about cloud and other things, you have to join Stockage Club because I teach everything there to my club members, and the right now offer is just tremendous, and you should not take it just for the sake of this. You should definitely explore taking this. So all these stocks which are a part of the 52-week high zone and showing strength, and also my momentum score is also positive in these stocks, are of interest to me. And whenever market recovers, there is a high possibility that these stocks will recover because these are FIPA stocks. All right, so this is it from my side, friends. I hope you guys are doing good. And as I said, become part of this amazing Stockage family. We are really working hard together to create a sustainable earning source for our club members. And the more you support us, the better we are able to innovate and give more to you. Again, not a marketing pitch. It's a recommendation, and it's worthy the recommendation because I'm the founder of my product. It's wise for me to recommend you what good we are doing. So yeah, join. And I hope you get the sense that the market is definitely in kind of a diggy daggy zone right now. Keep tracking dollar index and see if there is a sustainable trend change in dollar index. If that happens, then 4 to 5% correction in Nifty is very much possible, which may lead to 8, 9, 10% correction in your stock, depending upon the beta of the stock. All right. Have a great weekday ahead, and take care of yourself. And I'll see you next very soon. Bye bye. Good night. Jai Hind.